remember the 5 pillars of English. Okay, the writing, listening, reading and speaking. Okay, and the note making, which is the most important. Hello everyone, I'm Roushani and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. So in this video, if you are a beginner, then this video is specially for you. Okay, the 5 blunder which you should stop doing it immediately. The first one, if you are watching so many YouTube videos to learn from them, if you are following so many Instagram IDs, accounts to learn from there, and if you are trying to learn lot of things in short span of time, but what you are not doing is you are not practicing, you are not implementing in your life the thing which you are learning from the different sites. So when you are only giving the priority on learning and consuming, and you are the person who is not giving the importance to giving the output, okay, you are only and only consuming from various sites, but you are not doing your practice, you are not doing the other thing which is required to bring fluency in your speaking. Okay, the second thing which you may not be doing, the note making. You know what I used to do in my initial stage of learning? I was only obsessed with listening. Okay, I was obsessed with following the different IDs, accounts, but what I was not doing, whatever new vocabularies, whatever new sentence which I am not knowing that time, I was not writing down in my diary or in my notes. Why I am saying this? To make notes. When you will make notes, you know, since childhood our teacher used to suggest us, whenever you want to remember something for long time, you should start remembering those things by writing. So in this learning language, you have to implement the old technique of learning. When you will start note making of new vocabularies, you will automatically, your mind will start catching those words, your mind will start storing those words. And how it can help you when you will go to talk to anyone, and where you were struggling to just get any perfect and appropriate word to express yourself, that time your mind will help you by giving this word, whatever you have note down in your diary, to remember that. That's how it gonna help you. And the third mistake which you might be doing, okay, the third one is that you are only and only listening. Remember the 5 pillars of English. Okay, the writing, listening, reading and speaking. Okay, and the note making, which is the most important. You are doing only listening, okay, not you are reading, neither you are note making, neither you are writing. So how can you expect that you are going to learn English with such kind of habit? So start developing the habit of writing. Yes, it is also part of our English, so you do not skip it. Okay, if you want to learn this language, then learn it by every aspect, by every side. Do not learn it half. Okay, it's my suggestion to you. If you are not doing, then you should start doing it. No matter, you just try to imagine in a story, and whatever vocabularies which you have been constantly learning, try to use those vocabularies when you are writing. When you are telling any story, when you are writing any story, try to use those vocabularies, and definitely you will find out a very good technique of improving your vocabularies. Okay, the fourth thing which I would like to mention you is speaking. Ultimately we all are learning it to speak. Okay, so without wasting a single minute, start practicing with you. With yourself. There is no requirement of any partner. If you are a determined person, then you should not wait for anyone else. You can start. There are various ways to start practicing with yourself. I can give you the few examples. Just like you can record your voice in your phone. You all have phone, so why don't you use it? Record your voice, whatever is going in your mind. If you think like, in my mind I am very fluent, when I start speaking I stuck. Okay, so when you will start recording your voice and listen that, okay, how it will help you, you will be able to evaluate your own self. Okay, that okay, I am not good at this point, I may be doing so many wrong pronunciation, I'm not good at vocab. You will get to know about yourself. Okay, so the first technique that you can use. The second, stand front of mirror and give 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes. If you can't say so many things, just give yourself introduction in front of a mirror, and then you can't believe, even you will feel very happy by doing that. Okay, and the 5 things, which is, don't quit whenever you are getting such kind of thoughts that no, it's not out, it's just out of my level, it's not my things, I'm not able to learn it, I don't think that I can learn it. No, you can learn it. Remember the day when you have thought that I want to be a fluent speaker. Remember the reason why did you started this. Okay, so never think to quit. One day, not one day, just matter of 6 months. I have learned this language consciously within 8 to 9 months. Yes, so you can also learn it. And whatever tips I have given in this video, if you follow that, not for a years, just for the 3 months, you will find yourself improving. So if you like it, then subscribe my channel and press the like button. Okay, and do not forget to comment me if you like it. Thank you.